Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this toner from this brand name MIZON. This is their Snail Repair Intensive Toner. pH of this toner is 5.5, which is great if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin. This toner is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is fungal acne safe, which is great. It's difficult to find products that are fungal acne safe. So this is fungal acne safe. And if I'm not wrong, MIZON is not cruelty free. This has 30% snail mucin. Snail mucin is great. It's anti-aging, it's brightening. If you have acne scars, it helps with that. It's also very soothing and very calming. And snail mucin also exfoliate your skin, but really gently. If you have really sensitive skin and you can't use physical or chemical exfoliants, definitely give snail mucin a try. It will exfoliate your skin, but really gently. A great option for sensitive skin. They also added glycerin in this. This also has panthenol. Panthenol is very soothing and really calming. This also has adenosine, a great anti-aging ingredient. This also has centella extract, another great soothing and calming ingredient. And they also added some different extracts in this. They are really calming and soothing as well. Ingredient list is great. So let's talk about my experience with this toner. So the consistency of this toner is different from other runny toners. This is more on the gel side. And oh my god, this is so hydrating. You can feel it. This hydrate your skin inside out. You can feel that burst of hydration with this toner. I think this is the most hydrating toner I've ever tried, and it is really soothing and really calming. If you have redness on your face, definitely give this a try. I think you will really enjoy this. This helps with redness a lot. Also, snail mucin is a humectant. This product is humectant rich. If you don't use a lot of toners, serums, essences, if you only use a moisturizer, definitely add a humectant rich product in your skincare routine. You will see the difference because humectant rich products, they take moisture from the air and provide it to our skin, and your skin appear more radiant, your wrinkles appear less visible, and this product also help with redness a lot. I love this product so much. My experience was great. I won't lie, I wasn't expecting much when I bought this, but my experience was so great. It's so hydrating, but it's not heavy. I loved that about this toner. It's just really hydrating. You can feel it. When you apply it on your skin, you feel the hydration. I won't say this is moisturizing, but it's very hydrating. It works great under your moisturizer. This is rich in humectants, so you will have to use a moisturizer on top of this to seal this toner. And my experience was great. The way this makes your skin so plump, your skin appears so radiant, and it's not that expensive. The bigger bottle, I bought the smaller one. The bigger bottle is, I think, $18 and 150 ml product. It's not that expensive, and a great ingredient list. So pH is 5.5 if you have acne prone skin. This is great for you because acne bacteria love higher pH. So 5.5 pH is great. If you have sensitive skin, there are very less chances that this will irritate your skin. Definitely give it a try. I think you will really enjoy this. If you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, I think this is great for everybody. So far, all the snail related products that I tried, my experience was just great. I also tried the essence from this range, and that is even more hydrating than this one. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to purchase that, and I will also leave some other humectant rich products in the description. Like I tried the Haralabu hyaluronic acid lotion. That was great. I tried that last year. I don't think I did a review of that. I will do that for you guys. So yeah, my experience with this toner was amazing. So far, all the snail related products that I tried, I was not disappointed, and I was not disappointed with this product. And it do feel a little sticky in the beginning. You will have to give it time to sink in. It do feel sticky, but after that, it gives you this really silky finish, and it is really hydrating. I think this is the most hydrating toner I've ever tried. And the consistency is really nice. It's very easy to spread, and you can use it around your eyes without any irritation, and it worked really well around your eyes. Actually, all the snail related products that I tried so far, they work great around the eyes. Snail mucin is great. It is a great humectant, and my experience so far with snail mucin was just great. I love snail mucin. So I definitely recommend you to give this a try if you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, acne prone skin. If you have fungal acne, this is a great product for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.